Something crazy is happening right now. A brand new AI video niche is going totally viral, and it's happening faster than anyone expected. We're talking about YouTube channels that started just 1 month ago and are already racking up millions of views. One channel hit 1.5 million views with their very first video. Another one channel called Arcane Valet, they have 1.2 million views in 2 months. And here's the wildest part, these channels got monetized in under 10 days. That means they're already making money from day one. You can see they're earning around 1,500 per month, which is a pretty good amount for a beginner. How you can do it too, I'm going to break everything down for you, step by step.
That values fitting in over standing out.
You'll see how these viral videos are made and how you can create your own even if you've never made a video before. And no, you don't need to be on camera, you don't need to write scripts, you don't need to know editing. In fact, AI does almost every parts of the work for you, and it's all free. Start by finding a YouTube channel that already posts the kind of videos you want to create. Look through their videos and pick one that's getting a lot of views. Click on the video, hit the share button below it, then copy the video link. Next, go to a tool called AI Transcript. Paste the video link into the box. Click transcribe. In just a few seconds, the tool will give you the full script of that video. Go ahead and copy the entire script. Go to Chat GPT, click on Try Chat GPT. In the prompt box, paste the script you copied earlier. Then type this message. I copied this script from a video. Please rewrite it as a video script and make it easier to understand. Click Generate. In just a few seconds, Chat GPT will give you a clean, improved version of the script that's perfect for your own video. If your script is very long, you might need to split it into 2 or 3 parts. Just paste each part separately into Chat GPT and follow the same steps. Create the voiceover using 11 Labs. Go to 11 Labs, open the official site. Click on Get Started for free. Now, click on the text-to-speech section from the menu. Take the first half of your script and paste it into the text box. Choose a voice. I recommend Callum for this type of video, but feel free to test other voices too and see which one fits your style best. You can also adjust the voice settings like speed, stability, or clarity to match your video's tone. Just play around with the sliders until it sounds right to you. Click Generate Speech. Once it's ready, click Download to save the audio. Now repeat the same steps with the second half of your script, because 11 Labs only allows up to 5,000 characters at once. And that's it! You now have a complete professional voiceover ready to use. Go back into Chat GPT, ask GPT to create 30 image prompts based on your script. Use this prompt. You will get the prompt in the description box. Copy the image prompt from Chat GPT. Now turn prompts into images using Leonardo AI. Go to Leonardo AI, open the image generation tool. Click on the image section in Leonardo AI. This will open the prompt box. Now, switch back to Chat GPT and copy the first image prompt from the list it gave you. Return to Leonardo AI and paste the prompt into the prompt box. Set the image size to 16.9 and choose your preferred style, like Leonardo Phoenix. Click Generate to create your image. Repeat the process to generate all images. Ensure to maintain the sequences. Now that you have your voiceover and images ready, it's time to bring everything together into a finished video. For this, we'll use CapCut, a free, easy-to-use video editor that works on both desktop and mobile. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import all your downloaded images and your voiceover audio files. Arrange the images in the order of your script. This will create the visual flow of your video. To enhance your video, start by going to the Effect Controls panel. Select the black noise effect and drag it over all the images in your sequence, extending it to cover the last image. Once applied, preview the video to see how it looks. Next, select the first image at the starting point and add a keyframe. Then move to the end point of the image and add another keyframe, increasing the scale to 150. This scaling effect adds visual interest and makes the video more engaging. After that, press Alt+K to open the keyframe interpolation settings. Select the first keyframe and apply the Auto Curve option to create a smooth transition. Repeat the same process for the second keyframe, again selecting Auto Curve. Follow this same set of steps for each image in the sequence to maintain consistency and ensure a smooth, engaging visual flow throughout the video. Copy attribution and paste it for each of the images. Video editing is totally up to you. Add the voiceover tracks to the timeline and sync them with the images. Use transitions or effects if you want, but keep it simple to focus on the message. Add background music if desired, just make sure it's low volume and doesn't overpower the voiceover. Preview your video to make sure everything flows smoothly. When you're happy, export the video in a high-quality format, like 1080p. You're standing in the middle of a heated argument. Your heart's pounding. Every word feels like a weapon. Every sentence is a small battle. You're carefully crafting your next comeback,